Namaste. Subject Engineering Mathematics. Module Vector Calculus. Article number 1.12 Gradient, Divergence and Curl. Problem number 14. If vector of A equal to 2x square I minus 3yz j plus xz square k and phi equal to 2z minus x cube y, compute vector of A dot del phi and vector of A cross del phi at 1, minus 1, 1. So, solution for this problem. So, first we should find out the del phi. Okay, del phi. So, formula ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y j plus dou phi by dou z k. ಅಂದರೆ partial derivative of phi with respect to x into I plus partial derivative of phi with respect to y j plus partial derivative of phi with respect to z k. So phi is this one. Okay. So phi equal to 2z minus x cube y. So del phi equal to partial derivative of phi with respect to x is minus 3x square y minus 3x square y I. Okay, plus partial derivative of phi with respect to y is minus x cube j plus partial derivative of phi with respect to z is 2k. So next del phi at points are 1, minus 1, 1 is given in the problem, equal to minus 3 into 1 square. Okay, so x is 1 and y is minus 1. Next I plus minus x cube. X cube is x value is 1 cube j plus 2k equal to minus minus plus 3i plus minus minus j plus 2k. So now we have to find out the vector of A dot del phi. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ so vector of A at 1, minus 1, 1. So vector of A is this one. Okay. So vector of A is 2x square I minus 3yz j plus xz square k. So 2 into x square is 1 square I minus 3 into y is minus 1 and z is 1 j plus x is 1, z is 1 square k equal to 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is 2i minus minus plus 3j plus 1 into k is k. So this is vector of A. Next vector of A dot del phi. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ vector of A dot del phi. So equal to vector of A is 2i plus 3j plus k dot del phi. Del phi is 3i minus j plus 2k. So equal to, here I coefficient is 2, here I coefficient is 3. I dot I is 1 plus j coefficient is 3, here j coefficient is minus 1. J dot j is 1 plus k coefficient is 1. Here k coefficient is 2. K dot k is 1 equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 3 1s are 3 plus 1 2s are 2 equal to 6 minus 3 is 3 plus 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 is the answer. So vector of A dot del phi is 5. Next vector of A cross del phi find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So vector of A cross del phi equal to, so I, so here vector of A, I coefficient is 2. Next del phi nalli I coefficient is 3. Next is J column. So vector of A nalli J coefficient is 3. Next del phi nalli J coefficient is minus 1. Next column is K. So vector of A, K coefficient is 1. So del phi nalli K coefficient is 2. So equal to, so I into 3 2s are 6 minus 1 into 1 is plus 1 minus J 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3. Next plus K, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus 3 3s are 9 equal to 6 plus 1 is 7 7I minus 4 minus 3 is 1 so J plus minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11 K. So equal to 7I minus J minus 11K. So this is the answer for vector of A cross del phi. So vector of A cross del phi answer this one. Vector of A dot del phi answer is this one. Once again book al check ಮಾಡೋಣ. So first we have to find out the del phi. Del phi the formula ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ. phi is given in the problem. So after simplification del phi answer ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next put the points value x y z ದು substitution ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಡೆಲ್ ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಫೈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ ಫೈ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟದು ಹಾಕಿ ಐ ಜೆ ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟು, ಜೆ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟು, ಕೆ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟು. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲ್ ಫೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟು, ಜೆ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟು, ಕೆ ಕೋಯಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ ಫೈ is this is the answer, and vector of A dot del phi is this is the answer. Okay, thank you so much.